Hey guys, Sarah and crew here today to do a different sort of unboxing on this channel. So maybe a month or two ago I got an email to try this Fabfitfun style box. I did the survey and all that. Not the survey, but like the profile where you feel like I'm interested in this kind of clothing. Here's colors I hate. Here's my body like shape and things like that. And so I filled that out and then I'm like, you know what, I don't think I'm into this, so I just whatever skipped it. And then I got this notification that my box was shipping and I'm like, I don't want that box. So I went back and looked at my older emails and I found that they were sending me like a free trial sort of deal with this box. So basically I got this box yesterday and I think I have 3 days to figure out what I want out of this box and then send it back. So I thought I'd better sit down and do this real quick before I end up paying for all this crap. I don't know what's in here. It's been through some things. It's like a little dented there. It's like just a little rough looking. Let me tell you, I guess, the details about this box. So it's similar to Stitch Fix where you get, I think, like 5 clothing, jewelry, accessory, handbag sort of things in here based on your style profile. You get like a stylist, that sort of thing. So I think it's like exactly the same as Stitch Fix. You do have to pay a $20 styling fee, and then whatever you decide to keep out of this box, the $20 goes towards that item. And then if you decide to keep everything in the box, you get 25% off of everything. I think that's it. I think that's everything. So I'm gonna open this up, we'll see what we got, and then I'll try it on to see if I like it. So let's just go ahead and see what we have in here. Okay, so right inside here, I have a little note from the stylist for me, and basically their reasoning, it looks like, for everything I got in here. And then, wow. Here's everything I'm getting, so now I can kind of see it all. And the total value of everything is in here is $193.75. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So kind of pricey clothing, in my opinion, just breaking it down by the 5 items I have. Let's see. So everything comes bundled like this, so it's nice. And then there's one thing outside of the bundle. They also have this right here, which is like the return envelope. So basically whatever I don't want, I put in here, and then I just drop it off at FedEx, and then they take care of it. There is a little email thing where you put, here's what I'm sending back, so they know. And yeah. Okay, so one other thing too is this right here. So it says, a gift for you, yours to keep, no further purchase necessary. So I got a little gift right here. Self-care is always in style is what it says. Okay, so this is from Skin & Co., which is cruelty-free, that I do know. This is the Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I don't know what gommage is. I never heard that word. Let's see. So yeah, it looks like it's just like an exfoliating cleaner. Okay, so it exfoliates, polishes the skin while removing dead skin cells to reveal dewy and clear skin. It says for normal to oily skin, so not really for me since I have more normal to dry. But I may just give this somebody, I don't know, maybe I'll try it out. I have so many products right now that I'm not sure I even need this. So that was nice of them to send that, so at least I got one thing out of here that I'm keeping. I also really like the little paper clip that's here. I don't know, it's cute. It's like rose gold. It was clipped my little note for my stylist to my invoice. Okay, so let's just go ahead and break out the things I got in here. So first I'll take the thing that's not in that little bundle. And I can already tell I hate this and I'm not keeping it. This is some sort of necklace. I don't like it. It is the Diana 18 karat gold plated necklace. 1, I don't wear gold, and 2, I wouldn't pay $48 for that. It's like costume jewelry. I know it's gold plated, but gold plated is not really that high quality in my opinion for it to be $48. So this right away is a pass. I'm not even gonna try it on. I just don't wear gold jewelry. So that was an easy no. Okay, let's get into the clothing items. Okay, so the first thing right on top is from preta-por-TEE. This is just a shirt, it looks like. So there it is. This is in size small. I put small to medium as my size, but more small on top, so I don't really love the color of this, but I don't hate it. It's like a periwinkle, so I do like the little cutout right here. It's got like that, so not bad. Let's see, that's valued at $32, so looks like it's got a little stain there too. I don't know. I don't think I'd pay $32 for a tank top ever, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing is from Current Air. This is also in a size small. So it's just like this loose sort of top, peasant top almost. It's like a gray, is what I would call it. This is the Woodrow V-neck button-down stripe textured blouse, which I don't even know why they're calling it button-down because there's no buttons on the front of this. So there's that, and that is valued at $54. So again, wouldn't pay $52 for this. I wonder what it's made out of. It's polyester. Why would you pay $54 for this? Not a fan. Okay. The next thing in here is, looks like a dress. I do kind of like this. So this is a dress. You can see it's striped. It's navy blue and white. It does have a little tie on it across the waist as well. It's from a brand called Gilly. There's no size on it that I can see. Let's see if there's any inner tags in here. Oh, okay, so this is a medium, which is good. I need that for my hips, especially in dresses. And this is valued at $62. I do really like this. It feels really good quality. But again, there's another like stain on it. Which if you can see on this white stripe right there, can you see that little blue mark? I don't know if that's a stain or it's bleeding from the material. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. It's cute. I don't know if it's, what is it? I don't know if it's $62 cute, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, and then the last thing in here, this is the High Rise Mia Skinny by Cut From The Cloth. It is some blue jeans. These are in a size 6, which is generally what I wear on the bottom half. Whoops, lost a box. They look okay. They do have some distressing just on one pocket there, which I'm not sure how I feel about it. And there's also this little K on the butt, which I don't know if I want that on my butt. I got a big butt, y'all. I don't want a big old K on it. So yeah, got this. So let me go ahead and try everything on and see if we like it. Okay, so first up I have on the jeans and that little tank top sort of thing. I actually really do like this part of it. It's actually nice, I don't mind that. I don't love the material. It's sort of like that clingy stuff that's clinging to like all my imperfections on my stomach. The jeans are also way too long. So this is how much I had to cuff them up. I had to cuff them up about an inch on my ankle just to get them to be the right length. I generally wear a 6 short, like in the brand of jeans I normally buy. They were a little tight on my calves, which I have just a big bottom half, I just do. But they're not uncomfortable. The fit is okay. There's enough room up here. They go high enough for my liking. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to even mention earlier, those jeans are $89, so I don't know if these are $89 worth it to me when they're way too long, when I can get my American Eagle ones for like 40 bucks, and I know they're like good for my big old legs. But I mean, I don't know. I don't love it. Like, this is not stuff I'm gonna buy for myself. So jeans I like, but I don't $89 like. The shirt, I don't know. Like, I like this sometimes and then sometimes I don't. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the next shirt, that button-down shirt as they call it. I don't know. It seems it's like really long on me. The buttons don't tighten enough on the arm, and so they just hang over my hands. And it's not doing anything for me. It's just really loose. I don't know. What do y'all think? I just don't think this is good for me personally. It feels comfortable. This isn't really working for me. I don't think it's doing me any favors. This is just so loose. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the first things that I sort of like. I think it's pretty flattering. At least it looks like in person. I don't know how it looks on camera. I don't know if I love the length, because I sort of, like earlier I said I have big calves. So it's like, I don't know if that length is good for my body shape, but I do love the stripes. I think stripes are flattering. I don't care what anyone says. Fashion rules. I like stripes. I think they look nice on everybody. I think this dress is the thing that's most my personal style that I would maybe consider purchasing. I really actually like this dress. I just don't know if I $62 like this dress. But it definitely, this little belt here, I love that. It like gives you such definition in your little waist. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyways, that's all I have for this video today. I would love to know your thoughts on this box. I'll tell you personally, I don't think I'm ever gonna do this again. I just can't imagine spending this much money on stuff I don't absolutely love. So it's probably all getting set back, despite how much I actually really enjoy this dress I'm wearing. I just, one, don't wear dresses a ton, and two, I just don't need it. But I would love to know your thoughts. Please let me know down below if you get this box, if you get any style boxes. Do you want me to try another style box? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, opinions, suggestions, all that stuff. As always, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, try-ons, what am I turning into? I don't know. Hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.